Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Whatever time you are watching this video and wherever you are watching this video, guys and girls, today we got weekdays. Saturdays I go through what? Weekday market review, guys. What happened this market? What happened this last week? What I make mistake? See, relearn. That's how you're gonna get better, guys. Okay, in this particular case, the Nasdaq market is too high, no problem. But we have good rules and sun trade and and nothing else. Backside, front side, breakage, So how you avoid the market? Simply. Okay, the market uptrend, alright. We drawn up first, we go first monthly time frame. In this particular case, we see what we call trap and shift. Trap and shift tell us who is in the market. Who's in the market? Let me say what means trap and shift. Trap and shift is we read the candles. See, like this candle, right? So this other candle coming here, breaking the low, traveling down low, breaking the high. Whoa! Now we got trap and shift. Who's in the market? Buyers in the market. Why? So let's travel down low. Sellers travel down low, guys. Sellers travel. What do you see this bus? Here, what do you see? It's a monthly high. It's a monthly low. Hit the candles. So this candle travel down low, sellers. This candle confinement buyers in the market. It's still there's no confirmation until the market closes above this level. Let's call it this one. They zero setup. They zero tell us who's travel down low, who's travel up high. We need to understand who's in the market. See, when I understand travel shift, we understand who's in the market. Okay. In this particular case, when we go to monthly perspective, there was like here previous. You see, travel shift. Trap and shift. When this market shifted, what do you see? The market collapsed. Nasdaq collapsed for 2 months. Now, Nasdaq broke again the monthly level. Means that sellers travel down low, guys. Are you guys together? So when you know that information, you can understand the trap and shift price action. So understand the price action, guys. Who's in the market? All right. Monthly perspective, the buyer is in the market. No problem. For according to trap and shift rule. Okay, no problem. Now we go to a daily time frame perspective because just to draw up our channels. So the market is traveling with the uptrend channel. Uptrend channel support, uptrend channel support, uptrend channel support, uptrend channel support, uptrend channel resistance. Tell us now the max approaching channel resistance, deviation channel resistance, or deviation channel support. It's called deviation. Standard deviation, guys. Standard deviation is a calculated mathematical triangle, guys. I don't understand that much about that, but I use the triangle. You see, the channel high resistance, channel high resistance, channel high resistance. So when someone asking me now, how many sides you use? No, I use price action. The zone is a price action, channel is price action, everything is price action, guys. If you don't know the price action, you are still missing a lot of information, guys. Channel is about the price action subject. It's like you are studying. You can't be a professional trader and tell me now. It's like you can't be a good teacher if you don't know the physics, if you don't know mathematics, if you can't teach. And it's like being a professional trader is like you becoming now a general teacher or general doctor. See, that can treat and all the sickness. See, general doctor, general sickness. What I mean by that, you have to know the zone is price action. You have to know shift in price action. You have to know channel price action. You have to know candlestick price action. You have to know market strategy, higher highs, high low price action. You have to know a lot of things. Momentum price action. You see, it's a lot of information, guys. You need to know a lot of subjects to be professional in this business, guys. Are you guys together? So I say many of the guys, they are not serious. Liquidity is such a small concept, guys. It's about of 10-20%. But the zone is a lot of things you need to understand deeply. You need to understand deeply. See, when most people they know, but they don't try to learn the things deeply. If you don't understand deeply, the thing is not going to you hit. So you're still making mistake. Guys, all right, free cash. free cash, free cash. I like free cash, guys. Free cash, my mentor always say free cash. If you know what you're doing, it's free cash. But if you don't know what you're doing, it's hectic, guys. There's no mercy in this business. I feel sorry for you because you are not serious for your career, guys. You are learning a skill, you are in education, you have to be serious. All right, okay. The other shifting price action channels, you see here, and I need to understand the shifting also. All right, okay, this monthly shifting. Okay, it's too high to buy, I can't buy high. Okay, the share trading is about selling high and buying low. Okay, no problem. Okay, I understand here. When the market, when everything is going up high, no, don't sell, don't try buy. So in this particular case, weekly perspective, what I see here, the weekly I come here, because I know trap shift, right? I want to know who's in the market by weekly time frame perspective. So when we go to monthly time frame, I see the position traders in the market. When we go into monthly time frame perspective, there is a position traders in the market, not the small boys like us, which are traders. You know, position traders in the market, guys. Higher time frame, monthly time frame traders in the market. Okay, no problem. Or 12 monthly time frame buyers in the market, because they buy January and they are taking profit maybe December. Are you guys together? It's called position traders, guys. 12 months time frame traders. Okay, it's not easy. You are not those guys are small boss like us, eh? They are holding the position over the year. Yeah? Yeah. But we are traders, we want to trade day trading, we want to get some pips every day, you know. But always follow the overall momentum, guys. Then you're gonna the higher time frame trend is the biggest boss. The others is small bosses. The higher time frame bosses, trap shift is the biggest boss. You see here, like here, this week, target down low. Okay, the high of this week is gonna be what? Trap shift. It's called last trap shift. So when I see trap shift, the weekly time frame buyers in this market. Okay, who's in the market? The weekly time frame. Why? Because weekly time sellers have been trapped down low. All right, guys. You see, when the weekly time frame sellers are trapped down low, it's an opportunity for me to trade the week higher to focus trend trade. All right, guys. Are you guys together? Okay, the week opening here now, but it's far from me, man. Hey, so can I buy up high? No, I don't like to buy. Okay. All right. When I go to what? To daily time frame perspective. Okay. When I go to week, let me see weekly, right? So I need to drop H4 channels. You know, all right. So when I drop channels, oh, the market is still afternoon channel. All right, afternoon channel. All right, the market is still afternoon channel. I see who's in the market in the business. All right, that's why I say read always 3 weeks, 4 weeks data. It's gonna tell you, the data can tell you. My friend was asking me last night what was going on here. My friend from Kailicha was asking me, what's this? Why we go to the 3 month time frame and say blah blah blah? I say, yeah. He was asking me a question, what is here? I want you feed you, but why you need to why 6 month, 3 month time frame? Oh, okay. I tell him, yeah. I tell him straight to know the main trend, primary trend, secondary trend, trend in trend. To know the main trend, primary trend, trend in trend, brother market maker is confused our mind. Show us different trend. If we didn't read recently data, no way we will be safe. All right. Don't worry. The main idea behind it, 3 days, 6 days, 6 weeks data is to read. Is 3 weeks, 6 weeks data reading. You're reading the footprint. So I'm reading the footprint of that. See what I mean? Are you guys together? This group is on fire. I've never encountered such great mentorship ever since I started trading. Thank you so much. I know. I appreciate your feedback, man. I now understand that there was a past week's month's reference points. The week take footprint. So from now the current price is flying higher than the recent price, flying higher and lower than the recently structure. All right. I say. Yes, don't be fairly killing, my brother. You know, also my friend, he says so. Yes, fairly killing means you're sleeping. Yes, I also say you are blind, man. He means you are blind. It means you are blind, you hardly see things you don't understand. You know why the market maker use witchcraft. Hey, I tell him straight. I tell him here, who governs genius, the power of light, the invisible rule. I tell him the ruling elites made contact with the Chin controlled world Solomon. You see, I tell him, Mr. Capital, you know elite is market makers. That's why everyone is blind to see the reality of the market, bro. It's very hard. Mr. Capital, why I always advise people read the Quran. You see, why I always tell you guys read the Quran. Read the Quran. I know things you don't know, guys. Trading is very, very simple. Trading is very, very simple. Where's the Quran app? So download the Quran app Play Store now. Hey, Quran app. Quran English. See, download the Quran English app there. Is there already, guys? You see, always read two verses. Two verses. The Quran is there. For you life, for you purposes. It's fine. And you will have a spiritual protection from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I tell you, I guarantee for you. Try to read every day. Otherwise, you just postpone you. I don't want to lie to you guys. I don't want to lie to you guys. People ask me, how you getting things? Because I read the Quran. Allah guide me. I say, Allah guide me more. Because I need, see, in my computer, there's a verse saying, Rabbi inni lima ansat ilayya min ghayri faqir. You know what that means? What means that? Oh Allah, I'm poor for what you have sent it down. See, so increase my knowledge. I need to see something. So every day, every week, I'm learning more tricks and traps. You see, so the more you learn, and the more read the Quran, the more you see you are grown up. You grown up. You see, the secret is there. If you are looking at the secret, it's your problem, sir. That's why I'm reading now 3 weeks price action. My channel, price in channel, right? 6 weeks price action channel, right? So I want to read this week 1, 2, 3. Mark is channel up, resistance, channel support, channel support. So the market needs to break channel support. See that? In this particular case, the market opened the week, right? So in uptrend channel, the market hit channel resistance, come back to channel support, and still keep flying. You see? And you see where the weekly buyers say the weekly buyers are sitting here. So next, the market is preparing descending channel, what I call ascending channel. When you see this pattern, the market is about to sell off. See, it will be a huge sell. Why? Because there was the buyers are in here. The last buyers are in here. So they want to come back to these buyers, 9th row buyers. They call it 9th row buyers. 9th row buyers is here. Sellers here. See that? 9th row buyers were there. So they are trapping buyers up high. Be careful, buyer up high. They are coming back to the downside, guys. They're coming back to those in profit. Okay. So in this particular case, if you were buying, if you are not going to the 6 months, 3 months, and you are reading channels like that, how are you gonna identify, guys? They confuse you. Well, you know what you're doing, and you're losing for nothing. Why? Because you are not reading enough data. See that? You just they show you trend in trend. Come on. I tell him here, how, my brother, how? There's no way. These guys, they designed to. If you don't read recently data, no way we will be safe. If we don't read recently pricing data, no way we will be safe. The main idea is behind 6 weeks. You need a footprint of this big bullshit bosses. Sleep is your problem. Sleep. I'll show you the secret, guys. That's why I keep sharing things for free, because now I know you guys are planning. And if you don't read the Quran, I know, because I know many things you guys don't know. See that? So you have to be very careful, guys. You have to keep learning always. All right. In this particular case, the market and who's in trap shift. All right. Before the week open here, there was a trap here, and there was a shift here. So means this area is very dangerous area. All right. So before the week open here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before the week open 5 days, see, the market open after daily trap shift. So draw up that also we need to draw up H1 channels. Tell you how to channel. Drop you have your channels and support. Why? Because you drop recently data. How many that? How I drop that data? See? Yeah, I drop. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 days enough that our channel is. Hey, the market open here. Go straight to the channel resistance. Come back to the channel support. Respected the zones, the buyers. See, come back. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Day 1 high and low. Day 2 range expansion, or day 1 high and low here. Day 2 range expansion. Day 3 back to those in profit. Day 4 backside is here. Day 4 backside is here. Day 2 backside. No. Day 1 upper range. Day 2 range down. Day 3 trend flowing. Day 4 test day. Trend flowing. Day 5 trend flowing, guys. You see that? That's why the buyer is in the market. Why? Take other one. I wish now you guys understand a few things here.